All right, good morning. 1095 here on the SPOOs. As you can see, I wanted to point out this is the third day of a 4-day week. It's expiration week. We are below the pivot. Pivot today is 1096.50, and we've been stuck. Really, we closed Tuesday right around this 1093 area, and we're pushing up here again. So 1093, it's held 1, 2, really 3, 4, 5 times in the last 2 days, and we touched it again here this morning, and we've just been in this tight range for the last near 40 hours up to 1093 to 1100. So hasn't been much to do. We actually yesterday had a great day. We pulled off a big coup. We got short the gold pre-market at 1125. We had told our members on over the weekend that we were offering 1125. It did trade up to 1128. We sold it, covered it yesterday down at 1103s for 22 points. Again, that was just a pre-market sell and about a 430 Pacific Coast cover yesterday on that trade. And again, pick your spots. It's a pick your spots market. We put out some short Apple calls on Tuesday that continuing to collapse nicely from the March 210s. And again, on the ES yesterday, we pulled off in the morning trade. We pulled off a pullback to that pivot. We told our members again, sell up to that 1100. It should pull back to that 1094. And in fact, it did just that. It actually went to 1093 again. So the 1098, 1099 level back to 1094 yesterday was the only trade we did on the ES. And then we took the day off, went skiing, which was the wise thing to do because the market didn't do a thing for the rest of the day. So don't overtrade in here, folks. Wait for the next movement to come. The euro is hanging 155.79, so it continues to hold above that 135.75 level. It continues to hold above that level. So not much is new there. We're not making new lows. We're not making new highs. Again, everything is just kind of getting coiled and ready to go one way or another here. The dollar hanging around 80.60. It's been here for quite a bit. So if you look at that dollar index over a 20-day period, the last week or so has been in this really 10 days has been hanging up here at this 80 being the high, and it can't put in a new high. I have a feeling still that the dollar, you're seeing some major divergences. I think you're going to see a real major snapback rally on the euro here and a fall on the dollar. But again, all bets are off if we go over 81. The dollar may have one more leg higher. But right now you're having some major divergences where you have you're seeing higher prices but not a new high on the dollar index. And again, the euro can't put in real new meaningful lows here. It's just kind of ticking higher each time, and we'll see what happens there. So that is it. Have a great morning trading. Be careful. Again, Thursday of options expiration week, shortened week. Tomorrow is Friday, and Friday the 19th. So we'll be back here tomorrow, Friday. Have a good trading day. Be safe out there again, and don't overtrade in this market.